This dance is called Turn This Town, 32 count 4 waltz. It's a high beginner level line dance, and there are 2 restarts in this dance with 1 tag. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, stomp your right forward, do a heel shiver, kick right, step your right back, hook left over right, make a pivot quarter turn to the left with a scarf, quarter scarf. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, wind to your right and wind to the left. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. So section 2 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, Montree quarter turn to your right 2 times. Montree quarter turn, side, touch, again another time, Montree quarter turn, point, return. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, rock right, recover on left. Rock right, recover on left. Do a toe strut. Toe strut with finger snapping, toe strut, and rock your right back, recover. Rock, recover. So the last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here, starting your wall 2 at 3 o'clock. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, the rolling vine is introduced at certain wall based on the music. So when you do your rolling vine, showing you at 12 o'clock, side, behind, side, touch. Instead of vine to your left, you do a rolling vine. Quarter, half, quarter, touch. It will happen during certain walls of the dance. You just have to listen to the music. So now, for this dance, there is a restart during wall 5. I show you wall 5 first, okay? Facing 12 o'clock, restart after 16 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 count of wall 5. So from here, you do a restart. Stomp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you continue the dance. So there is another restart with a tag. The restart is at wall 11. You're also facing 12 o'clock. You dance until 24 count. Let me show you from the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 24 count. You add a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover, which is 4 count, and the count is 1, 2, 3, 4. And you start the dance again on wall 12. Stomp, heel, kick, back, hook, quarter, scarf.